Hello again and welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to block number on Android. Now if you are new to the channel, please leave a like and consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Now this guide is for Android devices, specifically for Infinix phone. There are two ways to block someone's number. So the first method is, go ahead and tap on the settings button at the top right corner. Then, tap on harassment settings. And here, you can see a bunch of settings for blocking a phone number. Go ahead and tap on blacklist. And here, just tap on that plus button and add the number that you want to block. Now the second method is to choose a number from your recent calls and tap on this little I button. At the very top, you can see a block button right there. Well, I hope this one helps. See you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.